Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to read a manga on the Manga app application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select manga and tap to the start reading option and go to the read for free button. And new, you can read the manga. For example, new the Full Metal Alchemist manga. And done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.